Hey there! Instagram is the most lit place for influencer marketing, and it's booming in 2023. Influencers are your go-to content creators, trusted by their followers in specific niches. But finding the right influencers for your biz? You could hunt manually, but it's a time sink. Enter Instigit.io. This platform streamlines the process, making influencer marketing a breeze. Partnering with Instagram influencers is pure gold. Their brand mentions feel authentic, not like ads. Ready to level up? Instigate.io is your shortcut to success. Let's make waves in the influencer world and rock the marketing game. Alright, fam, picture this. It's all about native ads on Instagram stories. Advertisers, you can register and showcase your brand on stories. But hold up. Account owners can post ads and earn some serious cash too. It's a win-win platform. And guess what? It's not just a platform, it's the ultimate influencer project HQ. We're talking full cycle action, from hand-picking influencers to dropping those ads and digging into the juicy analytics. Safety? Yeah, we've got that too. Safe deal alert. Influencers only get that green when they've delivered the goods, sticking to terms and deadlines. If things go south, money heads back to the advertiser's pocket. Safe and sound. Now, let's talk influencers. We've got a catalog that's basically an influencer treasure trove. These influencers cover all kinds of niches. Oh, and we don't just let anyone in, we've got a two-step verification process. We're all about quality here. Only verified bloggers make the cut. Here's the money talk. 3 ways to make it rain with Instigit.io. 1. Run those campaigns, team up with influencers, and watch your brand or business soar. 2. If you're an influencer, get in on the action. Brands are ready to pay you for those killer ads on your profile. 3. The cherry on top? The affiliate program. Shout out about Instigit.io, its awesomeness, and earn commissions for every successful advertiser payment or influencer order. Alright, brace yourselves, squad. We're about to dive headfirst into the epic world of Instigit.io. Picture this. You're on the Instigit.io website, and at the tippity top, you're greeted with 2 awesome options, advertiser and influencer. Choose your destiny with a simple click of that button. Now, as you gracefully scroll down, the magic unfolds. This is the hub for all things how it works. But hey, remember, we're talking about using Instigit.io for your aid campaigns. The influencer page? Oh yeah, it's got the 411 tailored for influencers, showing you how to team up with different brands and make that sweet mola by running campaigns. But hold on, we've got some special sauce too. Click on services, and boom, the influencers catalog and unique offers. The catalog is a treasure trove of Instagram accounts to collaborate with. And those unique offers? It's us doing the hard work for your campaign. Easy peasy. Ready to rock? Hit get started or sign up, enter your deets, and boom, you're in. Let's make it epic. Once you're in and you've hit get started, you're off to the races on your very own dashboard. And guess what's waiting for you there? The influencer catalog, the holy grail of Instagram accounts, and influencers hanging out on Instigit.io ready to team up and make some magic happen. Now, let's talk about filters. We're not talking about Snapchat filters, but something equally cool. Looking for a specific influencer? Boom, search by name. Got a niche in mind? We've got your back. Search by category. From DIY wizards to crypto aficionados, we've got a smorgasbord of niches. And here's the fun part. When you click on a category, it's like opening a treasure chest. You'll see influencers specialized in just that. Fashion, food, you name it. But wait, there's more. You can narrow it down further, pick the number of stories you want, their location, their audience's location, and even their age range. So, you want a food influencer based in New York with a crowd aged 18-24? You got it? It's all about finding the perfect fit for your campaign and making waves. Let's do this. All right, team, let's break this down. Imagine you're browsing through this stellar list of influencers, and you're like, hey, I need to know more. Zap, click that blue Instagram handle, and you're in their Insta universe. Now, you're on a mission, gathering intel. How many followers? What's the engagement rate? Is this the influencer for you? And there it is, on the right, the pricing options. It's like having a menu for influencers. You find the one, the golden influencer you're ready to team up with. Boom! Click on that card icon, and it's in your cart, all set. Time to seal the deal. Hit checkout, and let's make this campaign official. Payment time? Easy peasy. Top-up system to the rescue. Hit that blue top-up button. Put in the amount you want, let's say $300, because why not? Arrow it up, and you're good to go. Making waves has never been so simple. Time to talk about making it rain on Instajet.io. We're talking modern payment magic bank cards? Oh, we got them. Just fill in the blanks, hit add funds, and watch the numbers rise. Now, let's set the scene. You found the influencer of your dreams, pitched your project, and given them 24 hours to hop on board. But if that clock hits 0 without a response, no worries. Your cash comes right back to you, ready for the next big thing. Oh, and here's the golden ticket, unique offers. Time to break down the Instajet.io powerhouse move. Imagine this, you're scrolling, and boom, packages galore, starting at $550 and climbing all the way to a whopping $100,000. Now, pick your perfect match. Grab a package that fits your business like a glove, aligning with the epic results you're after. And guess what's even more epic? Unique offers snag you a dedicated manager, taking care of the heavy lifting while you envision the dream. Here's the scoop: that package price, every penny catapults into your advertising game. Oh, and that manager? Their skills are on the house. No extra fees for having a campaign wizard on your team. And for all you future influencer legends out there, the journey's just as thrilling. Create your account, hit your dashboard, and find that trusty briefcase icon labeled My Accounts. There's that Add an Account button, just waiting for you to hit it. Time to spill the beans. Fill in those deets, avatar, account name, the whole set. Remember, we're all about verified and moderated influencers here, so bring your A game to the form. And guess what? There's a third path to Cashtown, the affiliate program. So, you ready to be the affiliate rock star? Let's kick it up a notch and get those commissions pouring in. Get ready for some good news. Becoming an affiliate is a piece of cake. Just hit that register button. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and swing by the affiliate program section. Your affiliate link? It's right there, waiting for you. You're practically an affiliate wizard by now. And now, the Moolah talk. Earn a sweet 3.9% from every successful advertiser payment and a cool 1.5% from each successful influencer order. We're talking serious bucks here. Instajet.io is the place to be for Instagram ad action and influencer collabs. But hey, it's also your ticket to stacking up those dollars. So what are you waiting for? Let's get that affiliate game strong and those commissions rolling. And that's a wrap, folks. This video is a goldmine of knowledge, and I hope you're walking away with some serious wisdom. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, and I know you did, it's time to smash that like button. You gotta hit that subscribe button. We're changing the game, and you don't want to miss out. Turn on those notifications. Ring the bell, you'll be the first in line for all the epicness that's about to drop. We're talking insane challenges, mind-blowing giveaways, and changing lives. So, take action, be legendary, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.